how to add shipping cost on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you guys can add in shipping cost on Shopify. The process is very simple and it's only going to take a few seconds. Click on the bottom left on settings, and then after that, simply click on shipping and delivery. As soon as you guys click on that, now you guys can see your shipping options come up. From over here, you guys can either click on create new profile to add in custom rates, or you can simply click on manage, and then after that you can just simply click on these three buttons next to your rate, and you guys can simply click on edit rate, and you can put in whatever you want in your local currency. You can also choose a custom shipping fee for your domestic shipping as well. So once you guys do this, this is going to be your shipping fee for the rest of the world, and then for your domestic shipping you can either have it be free or you can add in a rate if you want to. So guys, that is how easy it is to add in a shipping cost on Shopify, and this only takes a few seconds. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care till next time. Goodbye.